Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. Today we're going to make an old-time favorite if you're from the Ohio area, usually around New Year's. It's a custom, I guess the old German tradition is to have pork and sauerkraut for New Year's. So, and a popular item in a lot of the restaurants is sauerkraut balls. So that's what we're going to make today. Let's go ahead and get started. I've done some of this in advance. I basically have half a pound, 8 ounces of breakfast sausage that I fried up with a quarter onion and broken into some pieces. And to this, I'm going to add 14 ounces of sauerkraut that's been drained very well, patted dry, and trimmed, snipped with kitchen scissors. And it's very important to make sure this is dry. Otherwise you have soggy sauerkraut balls. So to this mixture, I'm going to add 3 ounces of cream cheese, and it's already pre-softened. I've got a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to put in about a teaspoon of prepared mustard, and I'll just guess at that. And then add salt and pepper to your taste. I'm not going to add too much salt because the sauerkraut is salty and the sausage is salty. Then the last thing we're going to add is 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up with my hands just to make it quicker. Okay, so that's mixed in there pretty good. What we'll do is refrigerate that for an hour and come back and start rolling small balls. Okay, the dough or sauerkraut balls are been in the refrigerator for an hour or so. It's cool. I got assembly line going here. We're gonna roll these into little balls or form them into balls. Maybe walnut size. We're gonna put them in some flour. I've got 2 eggs and a 1/4 cup of milk. And then roll them into breadcrumbs. And I guess you could use like crackers, Ritz crackers if you want. Now, the recipe I'm looking at says you can either deep fry them or bake them in the oven. I'm gonna do a little bit of both and we'll taste them at the end and see which one we like. I think I'm gonna like the fried ones better. So with this one, we're gonna put this in the deep fryer here. So just deep fry them until they're nice and golden brown. These are a great appetizer or snack food to have on parties. New Year's Eve is usually when I like to have them. Okay, so we're gonna try just 4 of these in the oven and we'll give them a taste. So, 20 minutes at 375 degrees. So Catherine is going to try one of the deep fried sauerkraut balls. And what I've got here to dip in is just a little bit of cream horseradish sauce.
Very good. Sour, I like this.
Yeah.
Sour and
So let me try one. Yes, really good. I think I'll make them a little bit smaller. I think they'll be a little more crunchy. But this is, yeah, excellent.
Okay.
So we know we like the fried ones for sure.
Yeah, I like
We'll
fried.
check out the baked ones and see how they do.
Okay.
So we finished here. Here is the deep fried sauerkraut balls. Here are the baked ones. So we've already tried the deep fried and loved it. So Catherine, taste the baked ones and see what you think. They sound crispy.
Good.
Just as good, you think, or which one you like better?
Same thing, but this I think
That's
it's
good.
oil. It's good.
Yeah. So if you think they taste the same, your baked ones are obviously much healthier. Let me try. Oh. Yeah.
Right? It's very hard.
Yeah, but they're still crispy on the outside.
You can try this one.
Let me try one of those again.
Yeah. Which one you like?
I actually like the fried ones better, but they're not that much different. You're right.
Yeah.
These tend to hold together, I think, a little bit better. These are maybe a little more crumbly.
Yeah.
But take your pick. If you want to eat healthy, go for the baked ones. If you're ready to splurge, go for the fried ones. So I'm real pleased with this recipe. It really didn't take that long to cook. It does take a little bit of prep time to get everything together, but I think well worth it. And your friends coming to the party will thoroughly enjoy it, I'm sure. So we ended up making about 3 dozen on these. So if you want to double it, the recipe, you can make, twice, 6 dozen. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to Ed Foodie and Happy New Year.